He was 18 years old, and he was already better than the team that drafted him. When the Dallas Mavericks traded away their franchise superstar Luka Doncic, fans were told to be patient, to trust the rebuild. Nobody expected the answer to arrive this fast, wearing number 32, fresh out of Duke, and not even old enough to legally rent a car. This is the story of how Cooper Flagg didn't just meet expectations, he broke every one of them. Let's talk numbers, because they're almost hard to believe. In his rookie season, Flagg averaged 21.0 points, 6.7 rebounds, 4.5 assists, 1.2 steals, and 0.9 blocks per game, across 70 games, starting every single one of them. To put that into context, he became just the third rookie in the last 45 years to average at least 20 points, 6 rebounds, and 4 assists, joining only Michael Jordan and Luka Doncic. Let that sink in. Michael Jordan, Luka Doncic, Cooper Flagg. He wasn't just a bright spot, he was the team. Now let's talk about the game. Late in the season, with the Rookie of the Year race tightening, Flagg needed a statement, and he delivered one for the history books. He dropped 51 points against the Orlando Magic, shooting an efficient 19 for 30 from the field, 6 for 9 from 3, and a perfect 7 for 7 from the free throw line. Add in 6 rebounds, 3 assists, 3 steals, and a block, and you have one of the most complete rookie performances in NBA history. This wasn't luck. This was a teenager taking full control of a basketball game. Here's the twist: fans didn't expect Flagg's biggest competition for Rookie of the Year wasn't a stranger. It was his own former Duke teammate, Con Newport. Newport set an NBA rookie record with 273 three-pointers and helped the Hornets nearly return to the playoffs for the first time in a decade. For weeks, the race was neck and neck. But in the final stretch, Flagg's 96-point outburst across 2 games may have been exactly what tipped the scales in his favor. 2 Duke teammates, 1 award, and a friendship tested by fierce competition. When the NBA finally announced the winner, it wasn't just a personal achievement, it was history. At 19 years old, Flagg became the second youngest Rookie of the Year winner ever, behind only LeBron James. And the recognition didn't stop at the trophy. Flagg's jersey ranked 9th on the NBA's top-selling list for the season, the highest of any rookie, alongside names like Stephen Curry, Luka Doncic, and LeBron James himself. A 19-year-old standing shoulder to shoulder with the biggest names in basketball. Cooper Flagg didn't just survive his rookie season, he rewrote what a rookie season could look like. And if this is what year 1 looks like, the rest of the league should be terrified of what comes next. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because Cooper Flagg's story is just getting started, and we'll be here covering every step of it.